What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to use AI text-to-speech in Capcut. We currently have our Capcut app open already, so we're going to bring in a video file. And right here, we have our video file and it's currently loaded in the timeline. Now we're going to go over to the top left corner where we have these different options. We're going to choose on captions and we have auto captions and other options. Our interest is auto captions because we want to generate text to speech. And right here, you get to choose the language. It is a drop-down menu where you get to select from a range of languages. We'll leave it at English as the default language and we can click on generate. Great. Now we can see that our text is generated by the AI text-to-speech here on Capcut. You can go ahead and go to the right side of the screen where you can make some other settings for your text. For example, the text is by default in white. You can go over to the preset style, change it to black in a yellow background or white in a black background. There are other settings such as the font size. You can decrease it as you wish. And all these other preferences you can take on your own as you may wish. After this is done, you can export your video and your text will be embedded into your video. So this is how to use AI text-to-speech in Capcut.